We're looking here at a very scarce late 19th century folding lithographed map with original hand color of the city of Salem, Massachusetts, and the towns of Marblehead, Peabody, and Danvers in Essex County, Massachusetts. The map was delineated or drawn by Roger Pidgeon, and it was published in 1897 by L.J. Richards and Company. It's really wonderful in its level of detail, its focus, its scarcity. It was originally issued in cardboard folders, which this map now exists, has survived just merely as the map, still affixed to the rear cardboard folder. There is no front to the folder, which is largely irrelevant for this item. And as you can see, there's a tiny little bit of just a little bit of color fading here, but if we flip the map over, you'll see that it's very well preserved, it's clean, it's a very nice example of what is a scarce map, and it's available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.